Smile Back Folding Bed solves the pain points of the iron bed in the market. The installation is complicated. Our folding bed adopts a new structure, no tools are needed, and it takes about 5 minutes to properly install the bed to improve efficiency. At the same time, it is convenient to store and fold quickly to meet the needs of timely sleep. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. More memory foam, more support. The most memory foam component on the market. After 3,000 attempts, we found the best ratio of memory foam and support foam to provide comfortable sleep while supporting the back, which is CertiPUR-US certified. Product design science, in line with the natural curve of the human body. The outer part of the sponge is equipped with a soft cover that is easy to disassemble and can be cleaned. Number 2. Extra bed for guests. The folding design makes it ideal for those who squeeze the space but still need a spare bed, saving storage space and only 14 inches after storage. Quickly packed in 4 steps, the wheels are equipped with a lock, safe and non-slip. Number 3. Sturdy bed frame. The bed frame is made of a high-quality steel frame, which is durable and not deformed in normal use. At the same time, it adopts a high-density arrangement, increases steel materials and evenly loads, and can hold about 220 pounds. Number 4. 3 months risk trail. Smile Back promise our product against defects in materials and workmanship. For quality-related issues, Smile Back reserves the right to replace or refund the defective product. Number 5. Stable and durable material. The Smile Back folding bed uses high-quality metal and a brand new structure, which is more stable and sturdy. The bed frame adopts a high-density arrangement that increases steel materials and evenly loads, which is durable and not deformed in normal use. Number 6. Supportable platform. Smile Back's folding bed gives you the stability you can trust. The max weight capacity can reach 220 pounds, it will not make any noise when you move on our folding bed. This bed frame will last you through years of use. Number 7. 360 degrees universal wheels. Smile Back folding bed with 4 wheels, can be easily pushed to anywhere, really achieve the purpose of portability. When you decide where to locate the folding bed, just lock the wheel, then you have no worry about there will be accidental travel when falling asleep. Number 8. A perfect 5 inches height. Different from another folding bed mattress, Smile Back's folding bed mattress adopts 1.5 inches memory foam and 3.5 inches high-density base support foam. Neither too soft nor too hard, everything is just right point, provide you the best night's sleep. With the memory foam, Smile Back folding bed mattress can recover in few seconds, won't sink even by using long-term. Number 9. Ergonomic Design. 3.5 inches of high-density foam features the right level of firmness and support to offer pressure relief, which offers you good sleep quality. Number 10. Supportable Softness. Memory foam conforms to the natural curve of your body. The texture of softness maximizes your comfort to help you get the rest you need. Number 11. Breathable Cover. High-crafted knit fabric on the top enhances moisture wicking while keeping the softness in joy, bringing you an excellent level of comfort and coolness. Number 12. Easy to clean. It also comes with a super soft mattress cover that's easy to toss into the wash for a quick clean. Compressed in the vacuum package, the mattress needs time to expand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.